Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ellie and we are here with my favoriteest box ever. We have the Boxycharm base box for the month of August and I'm so excited to open it. Well, I'm actually hoping that it's better than the premium one because the premium box for this month was kind of disappointing. It didn't even come with the minimum value in it. I think my total box value came out to like 160 something when the premium value should be at least 175, so it was a little bit off, and that's why I'm thinking I'm a little bit disappointed, and I hope this one's a little bit better. This one here, since it is the base box, it is $25 a month. We get 4 to 5 full-size items and is said to be worth at least $100. So let's hope we at least get that. So like always, we have our little cardboard thing. And it says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber, just like I did on the other one. And I'm just gonna go in. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Sculpting Concealer. So I do get notifications about when we get the chance to customize the box. And when you get to customize it, it obviously gives you different items that you can choose from. And then now what they've been doing is they've been adding like a lot of more personalized products. Like this one, for example, it is a concealer. I was thinking to use it a little bit more like a foundation. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I think I've seen people use it like that. Ooh, I don't think that's gonna be my shade. I think that's gonna be a little bit too dark. And it's not dark enough for me to use it as a contour. But this is the one that I chose. Now I'm kind of regretting it. I got it sand. I got it in the shade sand. But now it's looking a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna have to try it and see, because it says you can conceal, which is too dark to conceal. It is too light to contour, too dark to highlight, and to retouch. So I'm gonna have to try this and kind of see where it goes. So this is the first item. I'm gonna go for this one next. It is from Mud Masky. It is a hair mask and scalp. Hair mask and a scalp treatment. It says 3-in-1 formula. So it repairs hair, strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes scalp, and it helps with dandruff control. So I'm definitely going to use this one. It's just, I think it's kind of small. I don't know what you guys think, but I think this is kind of small. So I don't know how many uses I'm actually going to get out of this one. But that is what I'm looking at there. And I don't know. I'm just curious to see how many uses I'm actually gonna get out of this. It smells like baby. It smells like baby powder. So this is our second item. Then I'm gonna go for this one here. It's from Morphe, and of course we got more brushes. This looks like it's a 4-piece set of eyeshadow brushes. And Morphe is a really good, inexpensive brand, and even their brushes are really good. I've used their makeup before, like eyeshadows, contour, and I've used their brushes as well. And I really, really like them because for the price, you get a really good value. So you do get 4. And did they tell us? No, it doesn't say what each brush is for. So these are it. They're actually pretty small brushes, but I mean, they always come in handy. I just love getting brushes. If you guys looked at my vanity and noticed all the brushes I had, you guys would understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so, Clarins. I don't know Clarins made lip color. So this is from Clarins. It is in Velvet Nude. That sounds pretty. It was really pretty packaging. Pretty simple, but pretty, I want to say, nice and sophisticated. And it has a little furry thingy here. So it's not plastic, it's a little furry thingy. And I want to see the color. Oh, it's actually almost like the color that I am wearing right now. And it doesn't have a scent. It doesn't have a scent, but it's a really pretty brown mauve kind of color. And it's not too dark. So it goes on pretty light. And it feels like it's a moussey formula. But that's really pretty. We are down to the very last item, and it is the Essentials Palette 2 from Voss. I think I have Essential Palette 1. Well, let me see the colors. Ooh, these are pretty. These are really pretty colors. It's a darker tone palette, but they're really pretty colors. And I love their formula. It's really pretty. Let me give you guys a few swatches. So just really quick, 4 swatches there. Super duper pigmented. They feel super duper soft on the palette. I just can't wait to use these. But with this one here, it is our very last item. Now that I get the premium box, whenever I unbox this one here, I feel like I go through it so fast. It's kind of like when you're super excited to get something and then you open it and you get it and then you finally see what you have inside and you're like, oh, I'm already done. Like, that's kind of how I feel right now. I went through this so fast that I'm just like, oh, like, no more? Okay. So let me give you guys the MSRP or the total box value. So Cindy, so the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, it is $29. The Violet Voss Essentials 2 Palette, it is $36. The Clarins Velvet, the Velvet Lip Perfector, it is $26. The Morphe Brush Set, it is $12. See, like $12 for these brushes is not bad. And then the very last item, it is the Mud Masky Hair Mask Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo. It is $25.50. So Cindy, so the total box value came out to $128.50, even though she forgot to put it in there. So that's actually not bad. This box was not bad. Not the best we have had. I do like the Violet Voss palette though. And I guess it is a good box because I like everything that we got. I think that I will use all of the items that we got. So it's just me just wanting more. Like I said, I felt like I went through it so fast. But I think it's actually not a bad box. Let me know what you guys think about it though down below. Those were all the items from my box. Let me know what you guys think down below. And I will be back really soon with another video. And I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.